Yeah. When the announcements were made on the radios, there was some description of you know, what color was, what the warning level was, but they don't actually tell you what the colors mean and how to protect yourself. Like, are you actually supposed to wear a mask? If so, what kind of mask? Does a regular dust mask work? Do you need an N95? Do you need an actual respirator? And if there is those kind of warnings being implemented, you know, how long? What about the people that are working outside for numbers of hours? How do they protect themselves? Well, a couple nights ago, when we walked outside, you could, I mean, it was thick. You could smell campfire smoke. That's what it smelled like. But then 3 nights ago, it smelled like burning plastic. So what changed that made those, like, what is actually catching fire now? Is there more than just the forest on fire? What is actually happening?